What's up everyone, welcome back to another Design and Flow video. In the last video, we went over how to log into your WordPress backend. In this video, we're going to go over how to keep your website updated, the plugins updated, and the themes. All right, let's go. Now that we're in the backend of your WordPress website, all you have to do is go over to the left where it says Dashboard, and there's two links, Home and Update. If you notice, Update has a circle with a number in it indicating how many updates are available for your website. So let's go ahead and click on Updates. Once you click on Updates, it's going to show you all the available updates for your WordPress website. It'll show you the WordPress version, the current version. It'll show you updates for the plugins that you have installed on the website, and it'll also show you updates for any themes that you have installed on the website. To update a plugin, all you have to do is click the checkbox next to the plugins that you would like to update and click the red button that says Update Plugins. WordPress will do its thing and update the corresponding plugins. You can see a success message that says all of your plugins have updated successfully. Now that our plugins are updated, let's go ahead and update our themes. We're going to go ahead and click on Updates again under Dashboard, and we're going to go to Themes. Click the Hello theme or whatever theme is installed on your website, and click Update Themes. Once your theme has updated, it'll display a message that says the Elementor theme has updated successfully. With just a couple clicks, you've updated your WordPress website, plugins, and your WordPress website theme. We do recommend periodically logging back into your website to check to make sure that WordPress is updated, all of your plugins are updated, and your themes. That'll make sure that your website is running correctly and functioning for years to come. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add users to the backend of your website. That way other people can keep your website up to date, update plugins, update themes, and also make edits to your website's content.